Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here, and I want to talk today about a thing called AGEs, or Advanced Glycation End Products, and how they cause leaky gut. Real quickly, here's an overview of basically how I approach problems for people with chronic inflammation. I'm looking at sources of elements that they're eating that cause inflammation. That's AGEs right here. I'm looking for the autonomic nervous system, in particular vagus nerve, not functioning. That's what controls inflammation. And then I'm looking for sources of leaky gut, huge source of inflammation in the majority of people. Here we've got AGEs listed here. And then off to the far right here is kind of my odds and ends thing that I look for. But it was this paper here recently showing that not only are AGEs inflammatory when you eat them, they're actually contributing to leaky gut. And that, so tight junctions are these cells, when these cells butt together in the intestinal tract, it's the gap between there. And this is a paper showing that these AGEs here, Advanced Glycation End Products, are causing leaky gut. Now, so what's an AGE? AGE is basically when you have a sugar and protein molecule, and separately they're healthy, okay, they're harmless. When they're heated up at high temperature and often in a dry condition, they fuse together to form an advanced glycation end product that's shown over here. These things are coming in from food supply, and they're coming in through the meats. So you get sugars and proteins, okay, and forming advanced glycation end products. Now, here's the types of leaky gut we've got. So here's this barrier in the intestinal tract that's supposed to be a bacteria. Here's normal, healthy, nothing gets through, okay? Now, here's SIBO, where you have excess bacteria or dysbiosis, and you have this, look, it's between the seams here, okay? Right into about 70% of your immune system. It'll trigger a massive inflammatory response. COVID, look how this looks different. The cells are actually dying here. It's not through the seams. The cells are dying off. And this is what we use the glutamine to repair. And then over here is a whole list of things causing the same, the tight junction here causing this same problem. So how do we prevent AGEs? Well, I said they're formed when you have high temperatures and dry conditions. So you want to have low temperatures, more moisture. Okay? Instead of barbecuing, think of crock pot. Think of stews. Instead of roasting vegetables, think of steaming vegetables, things like that, okay? Lots of olive oil. Olive oil will reduce the formation of AGEs in your food as well as in your bloodstream. The Mediterranean diet, as a general principle, is a low AGE diet in terms of the foods and the way they eat. Now, if you want to grill some meat, marinate them, okay? In an acidic marinade for about 30 minutes, lemon, vinegar, things like that will significantly reduce the AGE formation on your grilled meat. More and seasons, okay? Anise, cinnamon, oregano, cloves, allspice, these particular have a very strong effect on reducing AGEs on the foods you're cooking, okay? Intermittent fasting, this is not just skipping breakfast. People use this term wrong. That's called time-restricted feeding. Intermittent fasting is when you reduce the calories in a day. So here, having a day a week where you have 500 calories max, okay, that's it, will dramatically lower AGEs. It's also a really good way to start getting rid of body fat too. And then avoid processed foods with the high fructose corn syrup or even the drinks with high fructose corn syrup and processed foods, because all those processed foods are, this industrialized, high temperature, low moisture, okay? All right. That's it. You got a little to-do thing you can think about. There's plenty on the internet talking about these things in detail. Just a reminder, hit subscribe to stay abreast of all our videos. And take care of your kids. Take care of yourself. Keep your inflammation down. That's all from Dr. Nemechek at the moment. You all take care. Bye.